Your pillow is hot, your back is slick, and you're flipping sides like it's a game you can't win. You didn't eat spicy food, you didn't leave the heat on, you just tried to sleep, and somehow your own bed turned 8 hours into a sauna. If you're watching this, you know the cycle. Night sweats that leave you exhausted, waking up drenched and irritable, dreading bedtime because you know you'll pay for it tomorrow. I've read the comments that keep hot sleepers up at night. I'm 52 and I wake up soaked every single night. My partner calls me a furnace. I'm ruining our sleep. I've tried every cooling topper and still feel like I'm sleeping on lava. I'm a side sleeper and the heat makes my shoulder pain worse. That exhaustion is real, and it's not just uncomfortable, it's stealing your energy, your mood, your relationships. Here's what almost nobody tells you. Most mattresses, even the ones marketed as cooling, trap heat because they're built with thick foam layers that act like insulation. Your body heat has nowhere to go, so it bounces right back at you all night. That's why you wake up feeling worse than when you went to bed. The mattresses that actually fix this do 3 things right. 1. They use breathable coils or open cell materials so air flows freely. 2. They add real cooling tech, phase change covers, graphite infusions, or gel that actively pulls heat away. 3. They balance comfort so you don't sacrifice support or wake up with new pain just to stay cool. After digging into real tests, owner reviews, and what actually works for chronic hot sleepers in 2025 to 2026, these are the beds that consistently deliver cooler nights without gimmicks. First, the Brooklyn Bedding Aurora Luxe, often $1,200 to $1,400 queen after discounts. This hybrid has been topping cooling lists for years because it works. Glaciotech's phase change cover feels cold to the touch, even through sheets. Pocketed coils create massive airflow. Multiple firmness options mean side sleepers get pressure relief without overheating. Hot sleepers say, "First bed where I didn't wake up drenched." It's plush, yet supportive. Perfect if you want luxury cooling without the $3,000 price tag. Next, the Nectar Luxe. Around $1,250 queen with deals. Available in foam or hybrid. Go hybrid if you want extra breathability. Thick cooling cover plus gel foam wick heat fast. Very soft, around 2.5 out of 10 firmness for deep pressure relief on shoulders/hips. Side sleepers love the sink-in hug. Couples love the motion isolation. Real comment, I used to wake up soaked. Now I sleep through. Affordable luxury that punches above its weight. Then the Purple Restore, mid-range pricing. This one does cooling differently. No fancy cover, just their Gel Flex grid. Hyper-elastic polymer grid dissipates heat and allows tons of airflow. You get that buoyant, responsive feel. Great for back sleepers who need support without sinking. Hot sleepers who've tried everything say, it just doesn't warm up like foam does. Unique enough to stand out, comfortable enough to keep. The Leesa Legend Chill Hybrid is next. Luxurious pillow top with strong cooling cover. Microcoils plus full coils amp up airflow. Medium feel, around 4 to 5 out of 10, cradles pressure points while staying breathable. Couples rave about motion isolation. Side sleepers get deep relief without heat buildup. Feels high-end at a reasonable price. Many call it the most comfortable cooling bed I've owned. For heavier hot sleepers, the Titan Plus Elite stands out. Extra thick coils support up to 500 pounds per side. Responsive memory foam plus default cooling cover. Plush feel with serious edge support. Reviewers over 250 pounds. No more night sweats and no sagging. Great if weight plus heat are your double problem. And if you want next level tech, the 8 Sleep Pod 4 cover system, around $2,600 plus. Not a mattress. Active cooling cover you put on your existing bed. Water-based system plus app control. Lets you set precise temps. Cool down at night, warm up in the morning. Sleep tracking, alarms, even sickness detection. Hot sleepers say, game changer. I control the temperature like a thermostat. Pricey, but unmatched for severe overheating. These beds don't just claim cooling, they deliver it through real airflow, phase change tech, and smart materials. Hot sleepers who've suffered for years finally wake up dry, rested, and ready for the day. Imagine tomorrow night. You slide into bed and feel the cover instantly cool. No flipping, no sweat, no 3 a.m. wake-ups. You sleep deeply, wake refreshed, no groggy haze. Your energy lasts. Your mood improves. You feel human again. That's not a fantasy. That's what the right cooling mattress does. All the beds I recommend are linked in the description. Click the link and order the one that matches your sleep needs. That's where you'll get the best deal and the exact models I trust. Tonight can be the first cool, restful night in years.